back guys to our channel Swami Study Circle. So in today's lecture we would be discussing how to write formal letter. Okay, so let's get started. Formal letter. Why do we write formal letter, or what is mean by formal letter? Formal letters are written to government departments or any business organization. Either it is written to the government department, either it is written to the business organization, or you can say any organization whom we don't know, means formally we are inquiring with that thing. Okay, so there are mainly these 5 kinds of formal letter which we would be discussing in our further. These are the type of formal letters which we would be discussing further with the illustrated example. First is letter to the editor. What do you mean by letter to the editor? Why do we write the letter to the editor? We write letter to the editor for a cause. Means, for example, I am writing the letter to the editor. I have to discuss the issue. Suppose example, global warming. Means you are writing to the editor so that he could publish this in his newspaper and people are aware about this issues. Means editor is about writing certain issues which people should be made aware of. Second is complaint letters. Complaint letters are written to government departments like MCD departments. Complaint letters, we can give an example of not proper supply of electricity, not giving proper sanitation and cleanliness in your area. So this is example of complaint letter. Then is enquiry letter. Enquiry means you are putting an inquiry to the person. You are asking the inquiry letter means you are asking that particular organization whether the particular material is available with them or not. An inquiry letter is also written, suppose when we are going somewhere or our organization is organizing a trip, then we will inquire to that particular organization that whether the seats are available, whether they are having the good accommodation under a given budget. This comes under inquiry letter. Placing order, you can place order for anything. That means suppose I am working in a school, I am a sports teacher. So I would be placing the order for sports kit, books. So we would be discussing examples of each. Job application. Job application comes in the choice because it has a very lengthy format. So these all letters comes from weightage of 8 in the board exams, right? So we will be discussing each of the letter. Job application is given in the choice whether you want to write it or not, because it has a very long format. That is why we don't prefer writing it. Few years back in the examination, both the questions in the paper were on job application, so there was no choice out of making which one I have to write. Either one was based on job application. So let's get started. As our first is letter to the editor. In each type of letter I would be discussing the format as well and giving a proper illustrated example to make you understand better. Okay, so this is the format to a formal letter. First is the sender's address. Sender's address will be given in the question. It can be address of any particular organization you are writing from. This has to be from 3 lines. Then we will be leaving 1 line. Date will be the current date, or date have to be adjusted for the purpose asked in the question, else it can be current date. Receiver's address, 4 lines. Earlier the format used to be subject used to come a verb in the place of salutation, and salutation was written at the place of subject, but due to the new format, they are both interchanged. First comes salutation, then comes subject. After that, we would be leaving a line. Again, after salutation, we would be leaving a line. Then will be a subject, means what is the purpose. What is the purpose of writing the letter? Means the main headline. Suppose I have to write a letter. The purpose is awareing people about global warming or not giving proper supply of electricity. The purpose asks in the question. As I would be solving each and every example for you, as I discussed the types of letter, I would be giving each and every illustration of each of the letters as I have discussed. Okay, here was our format. Next comes our paragraph. Paragraph first, paragraph 2, paragraph 3. That means this is the body of the letter. Body of the letter will be of 3 parts. In the first paragraph, you will be giving the introduction, what is your name and why you are writing the letter. Second paragraph, you would be telling why are you writing the letter, what are the problems you are facing, describing the issue in the second paragraph, and even suggesting some measures from your side, or some measures are there, you can quote that in the second paragraph. Third paragraph will be the conclusion paragraph. That means the ending paragraph. After each paragraph, line would be changed. Then thanking you, yours sincerely. You can even write obediently, but mostly sincerely is used. Then XYZ, name given in the question. So now let's make modification in this format only according to the question which I'm going to discuss is based on letter to the editor. Let's just make modification on this format. We would be discussing the question on letter to the editor. As the question here is given, write a letter to the editor describing about the poor condition of roads in your area. You are Ankita living in 2/16B Mayur Vihar. Means now the name is also given to us and the address is also given to us. We will be using the address given in the question. So let's modify the format according to this question. Format will be same for every letter to the editor. So this is the letter. The address, as I told in the format, will be 3 lines. The address is given to me in the question. 2/16B Mayur Vihar, Delhi. I have actually not written Delhi in the question. This would be mentioned in the question that it is from Bangalore, Mumbai. The local authority name would be given. I am writing the letter on 1st May 2020. I know the lockdown is going on. Still, if the situation would be normal, so you can write any date. As I told now, you can write the current date or you can write the dates given in the question, means modify the dates according to the question. Okay, the editor. It's to, in the format it's given to the editor, but we do not write the word to, we use the word the editor. Name of the newspaper. If it is written National Daily, you can write the name of either the Times of India, the Hindustan Times or Navbharat Times. Kasturi Bagh, then again Delhi. Salutation, sir or ma'am. Subject is poor condition of roads in a area. Leave a line after this. After this also leave a line. After this also leave a line. Then leave a line after sir. Subject will be poor condition of roads in our area. Just from the next line we start beginning of a first paragraph. So this is my first paragraph. What I have wrote, I am Ankita living in Mayur Vihar. To the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention towards the poor conditions of roads in our area. Or you can modify it to the columns of your esteemed newspaper. I want to publish this describing upon the issue. So this is our first paragraph. Why I am using the esteemed newspaper? You can use more words, but I in my letters use this word, esteem newspaper. So this is the first paragraph. As I told, first paragraph would be giving the introduction. Why are you writing the letter? What is the purpose for writing the letter? Poor condition of roads in an area. So this is poor condition of roads in our area. So this is my format and the first paragraph. Now let's move on to the second paragraph. I hope it's pretty clear. My second paragraph where I am describing the issue. So it is as this. As there is no proper condition of roads in our people are dancing.
ये क्या हो गया तेरे को?
Okay, so this is the second paragraph where I am describing the issue. As there is no proper condition of roads in our area, people are facing a lot of problems. People will face lot of problems. By writing this line, I will describe what are the problems that people are facing in my area. First, as I wrote, the roads are full of potholes. Potholes means gadde. During the rainy season, it is the major problem as pothole gets filled with water. Means the potholes is a major issue as the potholes get filled with water. They are not visible during the rainy season. When rain comes, the potholes get filled with dirty water, due to which they are not visible. Then the water in the pothole leads to infection. This happens when water gets collected somewhere. It often causes diseases. Then I also wrote, this has also increased number of road accidents. This is obviously when there are potholes, accidents do increase. The routes leading to the market has also been disturbed. Means the nearest route has been disturbed. People have to take long ways to reach to the nearest markets. People and students going to the office and schools have to take long routes. Means the way they go, they have to take a longer way to reach to their destination. You can also write here that there is no proper maintenance on the roads, due to which road accidents are caused. You can modify this line like this. So this is my second paragraph in which you have to describe the problems. Right. So this is my conclusion paragraph where I am just winding up my letter. This follows as despite many complaints, the authorities have not taken any action. I hope my letter finds a space in your esteemed newspaper so that the local authorities get more sensitized towards the major issue. Even you can elaborate according to you. Despite many complaints, the local authorities have not reacted towards this major concern. I hope by publishing this in your newspaper, the local authorities take action towards this issue and as soon as possible. You can even write this. Now, ending the letter, thanking you, yours sincerely. Either you can write Ankita or either you can write Ankit as the name is given in the question. In the next lecture, we will be discussing a enquiry letter.
If you like our work, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the upcoming updates. Thank you friends for watching this video.